It's a disgraceful trial put forward by an attorney general who's corrupt.
Donald Trump's $250 million fraud trial now underway in New York. We've got cameras in the courtroom as the former president faces a judge. We'll start there at 4 o'clock. Hello, everyone. I'm David Usher.
I'm Natalie Pasquarella. Donald Trump accused of misrepresenting his net worth to the tune of billions of dollars. During the lunch break today, the former president criticized the judge and New York's attorney general.
News 4's Chris Glorioso live in Lower Manhattan to break down day one. Chris.
Well, the big question in this case is not whether there were fraudulent financial statements. The judge in the case has already ruled year upon year of financial statement from the Trump organization has been fraudulent. The question for this trial will be how can the state of New York penalize Trump and his family business partners? The former president himself spent time outside the courtroom today, blasting the very judge in whose courtroom he sat.
We're going to be here for months with a judge that already made up his mind. It's ridiculous.
Fighting for the real estate empire that first brought him to fame, Donald Trump sat in a civil courtroom steps away from Justice Arthur Engoron, a jurist he's been routinely blasting on social media. The former president and current candidate also calling New York Attorney General Letitia James corrupt.
No matter how powerful you are, no matter how much money you think you may have, no one is above the law.
James and the state's lawyers say repeated lies on Trump financial statements allowed the Trump family to enjoy at least a $100 million discount on commercial loan interest rates. Among the loans in question, those financing 40 Wall Street, Trump's hotel in Washington, D.C., and his Doral golf course in Florida.
What we are witnessing is election interference of somebody who is leading in the polls the more they hit him. So keep hitting him, because he's going to keep fighting. In
opening statements, Trump lawyers said they plan to call testimony from Deutsche Bank officers who approved some of the loans, even though they disagreed with Trump's higher property valuations. Banks and insurers know the statements are estimates, said Trump lawyer Chris Keiss. There were no unjust profits, and there were no victims, he said. But the attorney general says there were victims, and they include every person who relies on honesty in banking. By hiding the true value of resources, they convince the banks to take on hidden risks, said state lawyer Kevin Wallace. Our banking system relies on honesty.
With banks that were very happy, they got all their money back, they weren't defrauded, I've been defrauded.
The first witness in this case, which could last well into December, is on the stand right now. That's Donald Bender. He was a longtime accountant for the Trump organization. The attorney general is seeking as much as $250 million in penalties for Donald Trump and his family business partners. She is also seeking to have the entire New York Trump real estate empire effectively shut down. Reporting live in Lower Manhattan, Chris Glorioso, News 4, New York.
Chris.